Hello, welcome to 2026. At FOGET, we believe 2026 is a mandate for all of us. A mandate to move beyond ideas, a mandate to produce results, a mandate to leave footprints where it truly matters. Our theme for 2026 is impact. Impact at FOGET means intentional influence that produces visible, measurable, and a lasting change in our lives, our relationship, our community, our institutions, and the next generations. The defining question of this year will be, what has changed because I exist? I showed up and acted. This year is not about how much you know, it's about who is better because we showed up. Because growth that does not affect others is incomplete. An impact is when your growth begins to solve real problems. So in 2026, we are shifting from self-development to people's development, from talking to doing, from attendance to contribution, from inspiration to execution. Learning is going to be practical this year, and impact will be measured, not assumed. Remember, if people are not helped, it means impact has not happened. And so by the end of 2026, people should be able to point to change. Communities should feel our presence. Young people should benefit from our mentorship. FOGET to be stronger, structured, and more visible. Ambassadors should be builders and not spectators. We are going to turn our growth into other people's transformation, becoming the reason why others believe again. Happy New Year, and enjoy every single bit of 2026. Have a fruitful year.